Okay, with the box off, you've got these wrapped in tissue. It's the 85th anniversary. So it's got an actual outer presentation box with the regular snap-on inner box. Now, to take these out, what you do, simply lift this cover off. This Freightliner, I've seen them go for up to 400 and some bucks. Well, that's just for a white Freightliner. I really love snap-on things. This is the chrome snap-on van. These are just amazing. This one is the delivery truck. Then you've got a Divco. Let's get this out and have a look. You can see the drivetrain. There's a lot of detail that goes into these. In fact, this truck is one of the most detailed trucks you're ever going to see that Snap-on's made. In fact, it is the most detailed truck. Now I've got two of these. I've got one that's a Nick Garrett edition. But this is a chrome Snap-on anniversary van. There is a difference. And the difference speaks in money. Now, it's got a sliding door. In this door, here, let me take the top off. This top slides off. You've got in the back a real nice drop down lift gate that actually goes all the way down. That's in the down position. I don't want to mess with this too much because these things are very, very rare to have, and I really don't want to monkey with them too much. I saw this set and I just had to have it. Look at all the detail on the top of the truck. You even got a fan. All these tools. All of this has been hand painted. Now when you go to the step van, it does have an accessory pack to it, but you can see all the little things. I've got a video, I've shot a video of my Nick Garrett chrome one. This is a special anniversary one that is unto itself. You've got the two Snap-on characters. You've actually got a nice kit that comes with this. And I got it for investment mainly. And plus I just love Snap-on stuff. It's a good addition to my collection. And anybody who likes Snap-on products would love something like this. I mean, these things are just amazing. Now, some of you probably aren't into these, but hey, everybody's got to have a hobby. This happens to be mine. Anyway, that's the Snap-on Freightliner. You can open this up. It's got a slide-out battery compartment in here. In here, you lift this up. There's a step. You lift that up. Put a coin in there. This thing's a bank as well. Then, moving on. Let me see. There we go. It's got a fully detailed motor. All the Snap-on logos are as they should be. These are going right back in the box, by the way. Now we move on to the chrome. Let's see, what is this? It's a Ford Sedan delivery van. Anniversary model. These are die cast. You open this up. This is die cast metal. You see the working engine in it. The doors open. And you can see here the Snap-on logos as well. As you pull this in, and you've got a Snap-on toolbox in there. Actually, Snap-on boxes. Very, very detailed. I'm really glad I got this set. It took me a lot to get it, but at the same time, these things are just amazing. So you've got that. Nice running boards. It's got a key on the back. So let's get out. The Divco van. Now this Divco van is licensed by Ford. There's not a mark on this thing. The doors slide open. To reveal the interior. Also the back opens up as well. You can see on the back it's diagnostic tools. See what to say, tune-up. You get the idea. It's got a real cool opening back to it. And inside, you've got the really, really high detailed interior. Everything has been custom painted inside. Crown Premiums really puts out good stuff. Snap-on knew what they were doing. And this also has a key. These things you're seeing on the bottom are actually keys, because every one of these trucks is a bank. So you've got that one, you've got that one, and you've got the big boy. And anybody who's into Snap-on, I tell you, these things are real hard to find, and I think you guys know that. But just another addition to my collection. Just thought you'd like to see it. For those who are into Snap-on, just thought I'd let you check them out. Take it easy. Later.